This beach is wonderful, Charles. What a great find. Chica has everything ready. Chili dogs are ready, and all we got to do is wait for my robots and Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles. Looks like Gregory, Cassie, Vanessa, and my bro are having fun.
Splash Party! Oh, no, you didn't! Punch it, Freddy!
They are here.
He'll be here any second!
Hey guys, what's going on? You having a party or something?
Surprise!
Aw, you guys.
It's kind of impossible to surprise you.
You totally got me this time. I had no idea.
Yeah, right. Happy birthday, Sonic. Hope you like this.
Like it? I love it!